How's it going, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to use Mixitup to announce your Twitch alerts. Let's get straight into it. What you will need to do is you will have to grab the overlay, so go ahead and click on here, go down to services, click on that, go to the overlay, and then this link you can click on it. Okay, then just copy this link, go ahead and close it, and then you go to OBS. Click on your sources. You're gonna add a new browser source, call it whatever you want to call it. Call it Mixitup overlay tutorial toot. Let's call it toot. Okay, so I'm gonna replace the URL with the one you just copied and set the canvas size, set the width and the height the same as your canvas size on OBS. Then go ahead and press OK. Okay, right, now we want to make sure that this is actually working. Go ahead and on test connection, you will see connection test. You will also see that it says here overlay connection test successful. Go ahead and press OK. And now you can go to events and click on Twitch. Now here you can see here's a bunch of events. It's basically your alerts. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm only going to do the follow event. Follow alert, but this will work for all other alerts. Go ahead and over here. Just gonna disable this once. As you can see, I already have alerts over here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna disable these two just for now. I'm gonna add a new alert, a new follower alert. Okay, so I'm gonna use a video for this. I'm gonna click on overlay images and videos. Click on the plus. Okay, so here you have the option of using text, image, video, YouTube, web page, HTML, or show hide widget. Obviously, I want a video on video, and now I'm gonna select a video, just this one over here. Okay, I'm gonna set my width and height 540 and 240. You're gonna have to play around with this just to see what works for you. You can also adjust the volume over here. You can also loop it if you want to. This specific video is just over 5 seconds, so I'm going to set this one to 6 seconds. And the really cool part is you can actually add an animation. Keep it simple. I'm going to do a fade in and fade out. You can also do a visible animation. Let's say pulse. Let's do a pulse one just to show what it looks like. And yeah, you can position it as well. So yeah, again, you're gonna have to play around. I usually use percentage, and for this video, for me, what works for me is usually around 88, and from percentage from the left and from the top is about 20%. And when I click test and test command, you can see that's actually pulsing, and it's fading in and it's fading out. Wonderful. So say you want to add some text to it as well, you can definitely do that. And go and click on the plus button again, and you can add some text. You can even add text to speech if you wanted to. There's a few things that you can actually add. Sorry, I'm saying text, I mean chat message. But yeah, there's a few things you can do for the now, if you want to thank the user, it's $ username. Thank you for the follow. Okay, so if I want to test this, I'm just gonna bring up my chat. Okay, there's my chat. So I'm gonna say test this one, test command, and there it is. That is actually Graffiti is Mixitup bot announcing that I just got followed by Zafuzzy, which is just a test. And there you have it. There's obviously a few other things you can do. Play around with it. It's very simple. It's very cool. I can highly recommend Mixitup. If you're not sure how to log in with Twitch, there will be a video link in the description down below, which will guide you how to log in, setting up a bot account as well. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.